Hey guys, welcome back to Nat and Essie. Today we're drawing Sonic. Everybody loves Sonic, right? So here is what we're going to do first. We are only drawing his head, so we're going to start with a circle as best you can in the middle of the page, just like this. I'm going to kind of make my circle as good as I can. From here, we're going to draw a little shape that looks like a bean at the bottom of our page. This is going to be his mouth. Attaching from the top of the bean on the right side, we're going to draw what's going to become his eyeball. This is going to go all the way over to this bean and back up as high as the other one was with a little mark. From here, any overlapping lines that you made that were a mistake, you can just go ahead and erase. Next step, we're going to go ahead and take this line, extend it past our circle, and flip it over to make an eyelid. And once again, we're going to erase any lines we don't need, which will be everything on the outside here, but nothing on the bottom. We also have this line down here, and we're attaching a nose right here. Awesome, starting to look really good. But now we need to go ahead and erase some of the lines we started with. Any lines inside of our nose, just on the outside of the nose. And I'm going to extend this just a little bit further. And anything at the top of the head, because Sonic has tons of hair and we need to add that. So let's go ahead, kind of think of this line and swoop it to the back, just like his long hair. We're going to start from right up here, and we're going to swoop one down, and we're going to attach the top one right in the middle here. Now let's do the same, starting from the middle of the eye, swoop down, and from here we can attach all of his spikes. That looks a lot more like Sonic. We need to add some ears. He has one ear that goes behind his head right here, and the other ear sits inside of his hair like this, which makes me think I need to make my spike just a little bit bigger. Now let's close off his ear, and we need some eyes and a mouth. Sonic always has this half smile like this. We can draw a big eye here and one connecting right here. He's kind of looking off to the side. Now let's add his pupil to both of them. One of my favorite parts is taking the black marker and starting to add the dark lines and then the color. Let's see if we've got a Sonic. Whoa, this looks fantastic. Now we can add color. I'm going to start with his super green eyes, followed by a peach color face and peach inner ear. And of course, lastly, everybody knows Sonic is the color blue. The rest of him, we're just going to paint blue. You guys, Sonic looks fantastic! You did a great job! A little bit of confidence and a little bit of skill, and you guys drew a fantastic Sonic. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I can't wait to see your drawings.